Hey there, cats and kittens. The comic book of the week is Chaos War 1. It's published by Marvel Comics, and it's written by Greg Pak and Fred Valente, with pencils by Khoi Pham. Now, it picks up from Prince of Power 4, which has Hercules, who is now at the level of a Skyfather. Now, when you think of Skyfather, I want you to think of Odin, Zeus, Ra. Now, Hercules has to become accustomed to this level of power. And in doing so, he also has to rally all the pantheons of the world, and we're talking about the Greek, Aztec, Incan, Russian, Chinese, and also the heroes of the world to confront Mikaboshi, who in addition to being the Japanese god of evil, also existed before the physical universe, and wants to return the universe to a state of physical nothingness, and just wipe out reality and all the layers of reality, which means all the layers of hell, heaven, the myth realms, and just all of existence to nothingness. Now, so Hercules tries to rally the pantheons and the heroes, but here's the thing. The pantheons think that Hercules doesn't deserve his new status. And the heroes of the earth are thinking, okay, Hercules, okay, he's powerful, he's strong, muscle-bound Claude is going to be our leader. He's going to lead us? I don't think so. But Hercules basically has to confront them all and tell them, listen, hello, I'm the one who's aware of this menace, and we got to confront it head on. So the heroes of the earth accompany Hercules to the Nightmare Realm. And the leader of the Nightmare Realm is, well, Nightmare. But they fall into a terrible trap. Now, the art is good, but I'm really excited by the story possibilities, because here you have the Aztec gods who might have to deal with some Hell Lords, and they have to become allies, and the Celtic gods with maybe some leaders of heaven. So I just think it's going to be a really exciting story. And dead heroes and villains, because remember, the afterlife is being affected too, are also going to be involved. So I'm really, really intrigued by the story possibilities. Alright guys, so go ahead and make sure you pick up this issue, and I think that's all for now. So take care now. Bye.